Good afternoon. I've been working on this song for quite some time, and you never know what someone needs to hear. So it was on my heart to sing a couple of verses. Just know that God is near. Just know that God is near. He may not come when you want him to. Just know that God is, that he is near. Just know he will not fail. Just know he will not fail. Though trials come, they come on every hand. Just know he will not fail.